What's taking so long?
Stop it, you're being... Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Please leave it alone.
Oh, it's facing the window. I think it's hurt. It flew into the bloody window. It's probably injured.
It's fat.
Nothing but...
That's what happened to me once I was eating breakfast.
Sorry, so you, because it's bad, now it's still a window.